back children. In our previous part we have seen how to derive section formula, midpoint formula and centroid formula. Based on these three formulae we have our practice set 5.2, and the first sum of practice set 5.2 is, see, find the coordinates of point P if P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. So, ratio is provided to us. It means what? We have n:n. Now, to make the sum easy to understand for you, I have drawn one line segment, that is AB, where point P is dividing AB in the ratio 2:3. Right? So, I'll mark this coordinate of point A as x1, y1, and the coordinates of B are x2, y2. So, the coordinates of point P will be x and y. Now, based on section formula, how to get the value of x and y, that we will see here. Write down. Let the coordinates of point P be x and y. Therefore, the coordinates of point A be what? x1, y1. Now, our x1 is, therefore x1 is -1 and y1 is 7. Then, the coordinates of point B are x2, y2. Therefore, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 equals to -3. Right? Also, we have m:n is equal to 2:3. Therefore, by section formula, for internal division you can write by section formula for internal division, x equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and substitute the values then. 2 into, what is our x2? 4 plus n is 3 into x1 is -1 upon 2 plus 3. Right? So, we will be having 4 2s are 8 plus 3 into -1 is equal to -3 upon 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, x equals to 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 5. Therefore, x equals to 1. We got the value of x as 1. Now, we will see the value of y. How to calculate? See here. Y equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore, substitute the values there. What is m? 2 into y2 is -3 plus n is 3 and y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 3. Here 3 2s are 6, so -6 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 5. Now 21 minus 6 will be equal to 15. So 15 upon 5, y equals to 3. So the coordinates of point P are 1 and 3. This we will write as our final answer. Therefore, coordinates of point P are 1, 3 respectively. Right? Note down the answer, then we will see our next question. Now see the next sum. In question number 2, we have 3 sub questions. Right? In each of the following example, Find the coordinates of point A which divides set PQ in the ratio A is to B. Now this A is to B is nothing but M is to N. If you want, you can resubstitute A is to B as M is to N. But here I am going to solve by taking the same variables. Now here I have drawn the diagram again. PQ is the line segment where the coordinates of P are x1, y1 and coordinates of Q are x2, y2. And I have taken coordinates of A as x and y, for which we have to calculate. By section formula, x equals to ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b. Now what is a? 2 and x2 is 1 and b is 1 into x1 is minus 3 upon a plus b means 2 plus 1. Now here 2 ones are 2 plus into minus, so it will be minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 2 minus 3 will be minus 1 upon 3. This is the value of x. Okay? Right. Now we'll move to the next part, that is, what is our y? Y equals to ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. Again 2 into what is y2? Minus 4 plus 1 into 7 upon 2 plus 1. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 plus 7 ones are 7 upon 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1 upon 3. This is the value for y. This way we get our coordinates of A as minus 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 3. Therefore, coordinates of point A are x equals to minus 1 upon 3, y equals to minus 1 upon 3 respectively. Right? Note down the answer, then we'll see the next question. Now see the second question. See here, point P is minus 2 minus 5, Q is 4, 3 and the ratio is 3 is to 4. So we'll solve the second sum of question number 2. X equals to, by section formula only, I had kept the formula here itself and then we'll just substitute the values. It will be 3 into, what is the value of x1, y1? That I write here, minus 2, minus 5 and for Q it is 4, 3. So x2 is 4 plus the value of b is 4 into, what is x1? Minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. 4 3s are 12 minus 4 2s are 8. Minus plus into minus is minus. 4 plus 3 is 7. 12 minus 8 is 4 upon 7. This is the value for x. And now we'll see the y coordinate. ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. So 3 into y2 is 3 plus 4 into y1 is minus 5 and 3 plus 4 as a plus b. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 5s are 20 upon 4 plus 3 is 7. Now 9 minus 20 will be equal to what? Minus 11 upon 7. This way we are getting the value of x and y here. Yes, the coordinates of point A are, for x it is 4 upon 7 and for y it is minus 11 upon 7. Note down the answer, then we will see our third sub question. Now see the third sub question. See here what is given. P is 2 and 6. the coordinates of Q are minus 4, 1 and ratio m is to n, that is a is to b is 1 is to 2. So again by section formula x equals to ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b. So we'll substitute the values. What is a? 1 and x2 is minus 4 plus 2 into what is x? 2. So 1 plus 2, 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 2 2s are 4 upon 3. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0 upon 3, that is equal to 0. So x coordinate is 0. Now we'll see what is y. A by 2 plus b by 1 upon a plus b. So what is a here? 1 into 1 plus 2 into 6 upon 1 plus 2. 1 ones are 1, 6 twos are 12 upon 2 plus 1 is 3. So it will be 13 upon 3. That is the coordinate of y. Right? So here the coordinates of point A are 0 and 13 upon 3. X is 0 and y is 13 upon 3. Right? This way we have done with our question number 1 and 2, and rest of the sums we'll see in next part of the video. Thank you.